These charts will tell you exactly what is going on with crypto. We have Bitcoin's price action still doing what we would expect it to do at this point in the halving cycle. There's always a period after the halving cycle where there's some selling pressure, maybe because miners are taking profits, maybe because liquidity doesn't pick up this early on in the year. But that is where we are, just getting started. And what makes this halving cycle even better is that in terms of the Bitcoin money supply, we are here. Up until this point in Bitcoin's history, it's been extremely inflationary. Millions of Bitcoins have been mined and dumped on the market. We are here. There is very little left to come online. So it's just getting scarcer and scarcer. At the same time, the US money supply just continues to skyrocket. And so the higher that US money supply goes, the higher Bitcoin goes. Then in terms of the altcoins, this is a comparison of all blockchains by active users daily. The Ronin network is an asset that can be purchased. It is a massive gaming blockchain. Axie Infinity runs on top of it. It is now the #1 blockchain in the world by daily active users. It's beating Tron. It's beating Solana. It's beating Polygon and Forth. It's beating BNB Chain, then Coinbase's Base. It is a massive asset. Now, obviously, we know how truly massive Solana is, and a lot of the activity on Solana is happening in the application layer. The application layers that run on top of the blockchains are starting to cash flow significantly. There's so much activity happening on the application layer, right? Jito, which is a staking solution on top of Solana, beat Solana in daily fees, right? That is the sign of a successful blockchain if it can build a thriving ecosystem. Here's another example within the ICP ecosystem, Open Chat. This is a social network that runs on chain. So every single transaction is attached to a blockchain. 9,000 daily active users and growing. So that's just one example of growth on the ICP ecosystem.